Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to install a new screen on the HP 15-1271WM laptop. What I recommend tools wise is a baggie, a flathead and Phillips head small screwdriver, and your HP 15-1271WM laptop. Alright, how we're going to start is you take your flathead screwdriver and you find these little panels, or whatever you want to call them, that cover up the screws on the bottom right and left of the screen. And you take your flathead and you really carefully pry them off. There's one. There's the other. Okay. Now we'll set those to the side. Next thing you want to do is you want to switch over to your Phillips head, which is what I'm doing right now. And you take off those screws. And you put them in your baggie so that you don't lose them. Alright, next thing you want to do, you see this cover that won't let you get to the screen right now? Well, where I would start is right in the bottom middle, stick your fingernails under it, and kind of real carefully pry it up. Takes a little bit of force, but it will come up. And then slide your fingers through it. You also want to make sure you pop off these little hinge covers very carefully. And then pry off the whole cover. And it should look like this. Alright, next thing you want to do is remove the 4 smaller screws on each corner. They're silver and they're on the inner panel on the top and the inner upper panel on the bottom. It's this screw right here. I'll go ahead and remove them and then show you more close up what I'm talking about. And then place the screws in your baggie so you don't lose them. Okay, now you can safely place the screen onto the keyboard of your computer. And you'll notice there's a plastic cover, and you can peel that off like so, and then very carefully unplug this cord, the cord that goes into the screen. And then there you have your removed screen. So next, you take your new screen and you place it on the keyboard, and then you want to make sure that you plug this in directly and not angled. It's very simple. I'll show you very close up what I'm talking about. This is the connector, and you want to plug the plug directly into it, not at an angle, because it can mess up the pins if you plug it in at an angle. And it just plugs in directly from the side. And then you want to put your screen back up. This part you should be able to do, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you how to do it just because. You put your screen back up exactly how it was. The new screen, that is. And then you take your silver screws, and you screw it in exactly how the other screen was screwed in. A magnetic screwdriver would really be helpful right here, as the screws are a little difficult to put in with your fingers, but it is doable. Okay, and now you put back on, starting with the hinge covers, the screen cover thing. And they should just snap together. And then you just have to apply a little bit of pressure. I would apply from the back and the front onto the cover. All the way around. Make sure you get all of the things to click, the connectors. If it feels a little loose at one spot, you probably missed a connector. But they should all snap like that. Okay, now you're ready to put on the last 2 screws that go in the bottom right and bottom left corners. And at this point you can replace your covers. And there you have it. So now we power on our computer. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, and please comment, rate, whatever you want to do, and thank you to laptopscreen.com for giving me a brand new screen at a discounted price for making this tutorial. So thank you. That's all.